Yay! Are you excited? Me too, because I'm driving. All right, you guys. We just pulled up to the track, just parked. Nick is about to unload the car off the trailer. I am super nervous, super excited, mostly really anxious. I'm excited to drive the car. I'm nervous because Nick's gonna open my door. Hi, talk to them, say hello.
What are you doing?
I'm vlogging.
Why are you...
What?
Why are you nervous? Let's go. Come on.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
Okay.
Oh.
Second gear or third gear, I have no clue.
Second, third, initiate, second. You're nearing some way too long. Did you find the floor?
Huh?
On the right foot, did you find the floor? I'm not here.
On the rev limiter and bogging down, so I didn't want to. It was at like $6 grand and I could see it like jumping like this. And I was like full throttle. Quick little check-in. Nick and I have both driven the car at this point. It's way better than when we had that aftermarket intake manifold on it. But you guys are gonna hear Nick's thoughts in a second.
Yes,
So clutch? Well, I meant thoughts on drifting a 1JZ 350Z that you always wanted to build. How was that?
Nice. It's really smooth.
I had an issue with power steering in the morning. That might have been my fault. It might have overfilled it. The car is definitely capable and ready to go setup wise. Maybe another realignment. But we're having clutch issues. I don't know if it's the Collins kit, something, I don't know.
Calling him out. Tell him straight up.
Pull the trans, check it, fix it, and be ready to go. Because, you know, the good thing is that everything else is fine. The car's doing good, so I like it. It slides really well, has good power. Yeah, just needs a realignment, fix the front, you like it or no?
I think it's a lot for me to get used to at one time. Driving a turbo car is definitely new for me, but it's just gonna take some getting used to. I mean, I'm a little rusty. The car could use a better driver, but no, I think it's great though. I think it's good. It's just I just have to get used to driving a turbo car. I'm having trouble keeping it in boost when I go to do the third corner. I just keep bailing. I was ready to go like twice, and I just keep bailing. So I'm just learning. I'm learning a lot. I've never driven a Z with an angle kit like that. I only got to drive it one time, then the engine seized. So it's a lot for me at one time. Angle kit, turbo, JZ, an actual drift car that is set up with grip. This is like a totally different animal for me, but I like it. This is gonna be great.
Yeah, you definitely have to drive with aggression. Probably more aggression than even my car.
Yeah.
Just the chassis has a lot of grip in it. And
Which is good.
yeah, it's good.
It's good. We're both just not used to it.
Yeah, you just have to drive aggressive, and
Yeah.
it has a little bit of lag, but you
Yeah.
know, it's a lot better than it was, and it's drivable now. So
This is a really good test and tune day, though. I think it's a really good first test run for us. Even though the clutch is slipping, and well, we think the clutch is slipping, this has been a freaking awesome day for us so far, I think.